direction. And on the other side of the fence, a second shift of cranes waits in the wings. Each knows it's allotted dinner time. When those inside have had their fill, they change places, leaping back over the fence and allowing the second sitting to begin. In this most unlikely of places, one of the greatest bird spectacles on Earth can be found. It's a gathering that only exists because of the villagers' devotion to the birds. Back in Japan, tranquility has been restored. The cranes begin one of the most intricate and beautiful courtship dances in the world. Japanese cranes can live for 60 years or more, making their partnerships among the most enduring of any bird. These dances keep their relationship strong. It's an event that has been encouraged by a special partnership between birds and people. Relationships like these have sustained countless species, from the parrots of Australia to the vultures of Jaipur. Even the humble pigeon finds sanctuary wherever man makes his home. Next time, we will look at the close relationships between birds and people that allowed Earth flight to spread its wings and fly across the world.
Well done.